Welcome to Number 5. GEAK Slim Silicone Bands for Fitbit Charge 3-4. Introducing our specially designed slim bands, crafted to be compatible with your Fitbit Charge 3, 3SE, and Charge 4 devices. These are perfect for both women and men. Experience ultimate comfort with our bands made from pure silicone and flexible elastomer. They are skin-friendly, lightweight, and resistant to water and sweat, preventing irritation. Available in small and large sizes, these bands offer a comfortable and adjustable fit for wrists ranging from 5.5 to 8.7 inches. They are widely suitable for everyone. The narrow, slim design makes your wrist appear slimmer and more elegant. Featuring a stainless steel buckle, they are easy to assemble and resize for your convenience. Choose from a variety of fashionable colors to personalize your watch and match your mood and outfit. Mix and match colors to highlight your unique taste. What we like? This band offers a slim and elegant look for your wrist. Its skin-friendly silicone material ensures comfort all day long. If you're looking to personalize your tracker with various colors to match your outfits and mood, this is the perfect choice. What people say. The Fitbit Charge 3 is a great fitness tracker that offers a lot of features for its price. I love the design of the Fitbit Charge 3. It is sleek and lightweight, and I can wear it all day without any discomfort. The battery life on the Fitbit Charge 3 is amazing. It lasts for up to 7 days on a single charge. Number 4. Fitbit Charge 4-3 Silicone Replacement Bands. Introducing our premium silicone bands, expertly crafted for your Fitbit Charge 3 and Charge 4. They offer a perfect fit for ultimate comfort and style. Designed for everyone, these bands come in small and large sizes to ensure a snug and comfortable fit on any wrist. They look as good as they feel. Made from flexible, waterproof elastomer, these bands are perfect for all your activities. They are sweat and water resistant, lightweight, and easy to dry. The durable, premium material prevents skin irritation, making them incredibly soft and comfortable for all-day wear. Enjoy peace of mind with every use. We stand by our product with a 12-month hassle-free replacement or full money-back guarantee. Contact us anytime for support. What we like? Crafted from premium, waterproof TPU silicone, this band is built for an active lifestyle. It's comfortable, durable, and resistant to sweat and water, making it ideal for workouts and swimming. If you need a reliable and comfortable band that can handle intense activity and comes with a great warranty, consider this option. What people say. The Fitbit Charge 3 is a great fitness tracker with a sleek design and a bright, easy-to-read display. It accurately tracks steps, heart rate, and sleep, and the battery life is impressive, lasting up to 7 days on a single charge. The companion app provides detailed insights into your health and fitness, making it easy to set goals and monitor progress. Number 3. Fitbit Charge 3 Fitness Activity Tracker, Renewed. Meet the Fitbit Charge 3, a renewed fitness tracker designed to help you achieve your health goals. It's perfect for monitoring your daily activity and workouts. Easily track your steps, distance, calories burned, and heart rate throughout the day. Stay motivated with personalized insights and progress reports. This device offers smart notifications and guided breathing sessions to help you manage stress. It seamlessly integrates into your active lifestyle. It comes with both small and large bands, ensuring a comfortable fit for everyone. The sleek design makes it suitable for any occasion. This renewed Fitbit Charge 3 is tested and certified to look and work like new. Get reliable performance at a great value. What we like? This is a renewed Fitbit Charge 3, offering a great way to get started with fitness tracking at a potentially lower price point. It comes with both small and large band sizes included. If you're looking for a budget-friendly entry into the Fitbit ecosystem and want the core features of the Charge 3, this renewed option is worth considering. What people say. This tells me if my level dropped during the night. It has the weather current temp on it, so that's cool. Charges fast and battery lasts for about 4 days depending on use. Number 2. Fitbit Charge 4 Fitness Tracker. Meet the Fitbit Charge 4, your perfect partner for achieving your health and fitness goals. It's designed to keep you motivated and informed every step of the way. Monitor your heart rate, track your sleep stages, and understand your body better with its advanced health sensors. Get personalized insights to optimize your well-being. Explore your world with confidence thanks to the built-in GPS. Track your runs, hikes, and bike rides accurately, even without your phone. Stay connected and in control with smart notifications, contactless payments, and music control right from your wrist. It seamlessly integrates into your daily life. Featuring a sleek rosewood band, this tracker is as stylish as it is durable. It's built to withstand your active lifestyle while looking great. Enjoy up to 7 days of battery life on a single charge. Spend more time moving and less time worrying about recharging. What we like. This model features a stylish rosewood color, blending fashion with function. It provides advanced fitness tracking capabilities, including heart rate monitoring. If you appreciate a tracker that looks as good as it performs and want detailed insights into your health, this is a fantastic choice. What people say. The Fitbit Charge 3 is a great fitness tracker with a sleek design and a bright, easy-to-read display. It offers a wide range of features, including heart rate monitoring, sleep tracking, and GPS, making it a comprehensive tool for monitoring your health and fitness. The battery life is impressive, lasting up to 7 days on a single charge, which means less time spent charging and more time tracking your activities. Number 1. Fitbit Charge 4 Black Fitness Tracker. Meet the Fitbit Charge 4, your ultimate fitness companion. It's designed to help you reach your health goals with advanced tracking features. Easily monitor your calories burned and heart rate throughout the day. Stay informed about your body's performance with real-time data. Get a complete picture of your well-being. This device offers comprehensive monitoring to keep you on track with your fitness journey. Understand and improve your sleep patterns. With detailed sleep tracking, you can work towards more restful nights and energized days. Explore your world with confidence. The built-in GPS accurately tracks your runs, hikes, and bike rides without needing your phone. Its sleek black design complements any style. Wear it comfortably all day, from workouts to everyday activities. What we like. Equipped with built-in GPS, this tracker accurately maps your runs and outdoor activities without needing your phone. It also offers comprehensive monitoring, including detailed sleep tracking. If you're a runner or cyclist who wants to track routes and distance precisely, or if you want to gain deep insights into your sleep patterns, this tracker is ideal. What people say. The Fitbit Charge 3 is a great fitness tracker with a sleek design and a bright, easy-to-read display. It accurately tracks steps, heart rate, and sleep, and the battery life is impressive, lasting up to 7 days on a single charge. The companion app provides detailed insights into your health and fitness, making it easy to set goals and monitor your progress. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.